Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Unreal Engine 5 Virtua Co-op game series. In this tutorial, we are going to make our enemy AIs handling a weapon and aim towards us. So, like you see, they are spawning at some location, moving, rotating, using weapon aiming animation, and now they are handling a weapon and towards us. So, in this tutorial, we are going to make AI enemies to handle weapons by attaching that weapon to their hands. So you can get project files on my Patreon. And also in the next tutorial, we are going to make AI enemies to shoot at us also. So let's jump into the tutorial. So in this tutorial, we are going to uh, attach a pistol or a weapon static mesh with our enemy AI character. So for that, first of all, uh, I used I imported that weapon mesh, and you will get the project files and you will get that mesh inside. So we will use the that pistol that weapon with our aim animation. So let's go to characters, mannequins, animation, many aim animation. If you remember from our previous tutorial, we made that animation inside the Unreal Engine by editing idle animation. So here we are going to find hand R, right click, add socket, and add preview, and search for the weapon name, PEX weapon. Let's rename it to SM weapon. Okay, SM weapon. So now preview SM weapon. Now we have that weapon here. I think so that's fine here. Okay, so now the size here is really big. So click that and reduce the size. I think that is fine. Yep, that will work. Okay, now we have our hand socket rotation and everything. Now go back to enemy AI. In the event begin play from here, or you can do it from there, anywhere you want. Let's do the okay, let's make another custom event attach weapon. Okay, so use that attach weapon now. Okay, from there we will use attach. Okay, so before doing that we have to make our weapon blueprint actor BP weapon, because we are going to shoot at us. So we will do that shooting logic inside the weapon, BP weapon, and there let's SM weapon and search for SM. Okay, weapon. So that is okay. Now we have that, and yep, okay. So I think on the x-axis on the x-axis it will work, I think. Let's try it. So now we have our weapon, and now we will attach here. So what we are going to do is we are going to spawn that weapon. Spawn actor from class. BP weapon. So now what will be the spawn location? Definitely on the right hand. So we will get that. Get socket transform. And what was our socket name? That is hand R socket. Let's copy it, go back and hand R socket. And for now, I think let's attach like that. And from there, promote to variable in case we need that reference in future. Weapon ref. Okay. And from there, attach actor to component. Okay, so now that weapon will attach to our mesh. Snap to target, and keyboard. Let's see, will it is it working or not? If not, and then we will make some adjustments here. Okay. Oh, now, so why that happened? Because of the collision. So I think that happened because of the collision. So we need to disable the collision on the weapon. Or yep, block all dynamics. We have to right now we don't need any collision, so no collision. Let's see. Yep, it's working, but so okay, where is our weapon now? So the our weapon is at this position. So let me correct it, and I will be right back at you. Okay, so we did two things there. One, we have to write the socket name. So what was the socket name? Hand or socket. And the second thing, we have to rotate it at on the y-axis. Now let's see. Now it's working fine. So now our enemies are spawning at our given location, and then they are moving towards the target location, and then they are rotating towards us, and after that they are aiming using they are using aiming animation, and now they are also handling a weapon or aiming a weapon at us. So everything is working perfectly fine so far now. So in the next tutorial, we are going to make AI enemies to shoot at us when the bar fills at the top of their head, like you see in the classic Virtua game. So thank you for watching. You can get project files on my Patreon. Till next tutorial, Allah Hafiz.